Corey with the Customer Education team here at CommentSold. And in this video, I want to walk you through how you can connect and verify your custom domain in CommentSold. Let's go. A custom domain is a uniquely branded web address that someone can enter in the address bar of a web browser to visit a particular site. Retailers using CommentSold can connect their custom domain so that their shoppers go to their site, such as myshop.com, instead of their CommentSold branded URL, myshop.commentsold.com. In order to connect a custom domain, you'll first need to purchase that custom domain. You can do so through any of the reputable domain registrars out there. In this video, we are going to focus on connecting a domain through GoDaddy. If you purchased your custom domain through another domain provider, we recommend that you check out our Connect Your Custom Domain in CommentSold article in the Help Center for a list of links that will walk you through the setup process for those various domain providers. In this video, we are going to be moving between our CommentSold account and our GoDaddy account. I strongly recommend that you have each account open in separate tabs so that it's easy to move between the two. We're going to start in CommentSold by entering our custom domain address. To do so, head to Setup in the side menu, and then select Custom Domain from the options listed at the top of the page. In the Custom Domain field, we're going to enter our custom domain web address. Give me a moment. Once you've entered your web address, select Set. CommentSold will prompt you to confirm this action, and then CommentSold is going to refresh the page and list out various A and C name records. We'll be entering these records in GoDaddy. So let's head there now. Here I am on my GoDaddy dashboard, and I'm going to select my account from the top of the page and select Domains. From here, we'll select the DNS dropdown and select Manage Zones. If this is your first time setting up your domain, you'll see a domain field where you can enter in the domain address and select search. On your DNS management page, you'll scroll down to the DNS records section. There are two records that we will be updating, the A record and the C name record. First, you'll want to delete any current A records listed on this page. So here's an A record. I'll head over to the delete column and select delete. Now back in CommentSold, we have 4 different A records that we will need to enter in GoDaddy. So let's go grab them. I'm going to highlight my first A record and copy it. Back in GoDaddy, I'll select Add, and I'll complete these fields. For type, I'm going to choose A. For name, I will enter the @ symbol. And my value is going to be the A record that I just copied out of CommentSold. So I'll paste that here. And last, for the TTL, I'll select 1 hour. Once done, I'll select Add Record. I have 3 more A records to enter, so I'll do that quickly. Now that I have the 4 A records from CommentSold entered in GoDaddy, I can move on to updating the C name record. Now there are 2 C name records listed, and we are going to be updating the one with the www name. Unlike the A record, we're not going to be deleting this C name record. Instead, we're going to be updating a specific piece of information in this row. So for that reason, we are going to select the pencil icon to the far right. We're going to be updating the value piece and changing out the address seen here. So let's head back to CommentSold to find out what we'll need to be entering in this field. So down here, we see our C name record. We're going to copy this. And in GoDaddy, we're going to delete out the current value and paste this in. Once we're done, we'll select Save. That's it for GoDaddy, so we can exit out of this tab. Now, once you have updated all of the A records and the C name record in your domain provider, you'll select Verify. Depending on the domain provider you use, it can take up to 48 hours for the DNS records that you just updated to take effect. As a result, it could take several minutes for your verification process to go through in CommentSold. If you select Verify and then see a green Complete button, wait about 5 to 10 minutes before you select the Complete button. When your domain is configured and ready, you'll see the domain is configured notification here at the top of the Custom Domain tab. Now, your shoppers can visit that custom domain address and be directed to your CommentSold web store. If you have any questions about connecting your custom domain in CommentSold, feel free to reach out to the CommentSold support team by selecting the blue support icon in the bottom right corner of your CommentSold dashboard. Happy selling!